And last time we spoke, I discussed the differences between active-active and active-passive WAN configurations. Today, I'd like to talk about active dynamic technologies that bridges the gap between those two WAN configurations that Cradlepoint offers. So in this use case, what we're really trying to do is take the best of active-active and the best of active-passive and combining it. In active-active, you typically are monitoring both links because they're unmetered, they're wired, and you can spend as much data as you need to figure out the best path that you need for your applications as they flow. In active-passive, you typically don't have that same economic equality. Maybe one is LTE and one is wired. And so you'll only want to fail over to that one that costs more per bit when you need to. Cradlepoint's active dynamic technology takes it and augments what you're doing with active-passive, so you still don't spend as much when you go to LTE, but you can move specific traffic automatically to that LTE component, even driving further savings. So in this use case, the blue traffic is your business critical, and the red traffic is your non-business critical. At this point here, Cradlepoint's technologies such as Smart WAN Selection or WAN Verify would be able to notify that you're having problems with this link. And then using technologies like policy-based routing or WAN Affinity, you can move your business critical application over to LTE and allow for that flow to continue while your wired still maintains the non-business critical applications. And that's active dynamic with Cradlepoint.